Best desk fans are compact cooling solutions designed to keep your personal space comfortable without taking up much room. They deliver strong airflow, quiet operation, and energy efficiency, making them ideal for home, office, or study setups. Whether you need a simple breeze or adjustable speed control, a good desk fan helps you stay cool and focused throughout the day. Starting at number 1. Vornado Pivot Personal Air Circulator Fan. The Vornado Pivot Personal Air Circulator Fan, 6-inch, copper, is a compact and stylish desk fan designed to deliver powerful, targeted cooling in small spaces. It features Vornado's Vortex air circulation technology, which helps move air efficiently around your personal area rather than just blowing it in one direction. With a 360-degree adjustable pivoting head, you can easily direct airflow exactly where you need it. The fan offers 3 speed settings for customized comfort and runs quietly, making it ideal for use in bedrooms, offices, or study desks. Its small size, safety-focused grille design, and reliable performance make it a practical choice for everyday personal cooling. Number 2. Easy ACC Desk Fan Battery Rechargeable. The Easy ACC Desk Fan, 5,200 mAh, is a compact and portable rechargeable fan designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It comes with a powerful built-in 5,200 mAh battery that can deliver up to 26 hours of runtime on low speed, making it ideal for travel, camping, or office use during long hours. The fan features stepless speed control, allowing smooth adjustment of airflow instead of fixed levels, and a foldable 180 degrees design for flexible positioning. Despite its small size, it uses a quiet brushless motor that provides strong airflow while staying under 30 dB, making it suitable for bedrooms, study desks, or workspaces where low noise is important. Number 3. Pucci Desk Fan Personal Quiet Powerful. The Pucci Desk Fan, retro bladeless, wood color, is a stylish and compact table fan designed for quiet yet powerful personal cooling in spaces like bedrooms, home offices, or study desks. It features a unique dual-turbine bladeless system that delivers stronger, more focused airflow compared to typical small fans, while keeping noise levels low for a comfortable environment. With 3 speed settings controlled by a smooth mechanical knob, you can easily adjust airflow from a gentle breeze to a stronger cooling mode. Its retro wood grain design makes it stand out as both a functional appliance and a decorative piece, and its compact size makes it suitable for everyday desktop use in small spaces. Number 4. Iris USA Wuzu Air Circulator Fan. The Iris USA Wuzu Air Circulator Fan with remote is a compact yet powerful desk fan designed for efficient whole-room air movement in small spaces like bedrooms, offices, and dorms. It features 5 speed settings and a strong airflow system that can reach up to 82 feet, helping circulate air far beyond a typical desk fan. With its 65 to 90 degrees oscillation and adjustable tilt, it spreads cool air evenly across the room while staying highly customizable to your comfort. Despite its strong performance, it runs very quietly at around 30 dB, making it suitable for studying or sleeping without disturbance. The included remote control, timer options, and compact design add extra convenience, making it a practical and modern cooling solution for everyday use. Number 5. Home's 4-inch Mini High Velocity Desk Fan. The Home's 4-inch Mini High Velocity Personal Desk Fan, black, is a compact and durable table fan designed for strong, focused cooling in small spaces like bedrooms, dorm rooms, or home offices. It features a high-velocity 4-blade system that delivers a concentrated burst of airflow, making it ideal for personal use at close range. The fan has a fully adjustable 360 degrees tilt head so you can direct air exactly where you need it, and its all-metal construction gives it a sturdy, long-lasting feel. With a simple single-speed operation and plug-in power, it is easy to use with no setup required, making it a practical choice for straightforward, reliable desk cooling.